Go. See, this is exactly what I'm gonna try to avoid. From here, there's lifters in here, so obviously the oil and gas form can kind of come up through here. All of these oil lines can get, or vacuum lines can get filled with oil and ruin components. So once you get it all the way down here, if it's starting to go back into the engine, then you're gonna start burning oil, which is not good for your engine whatsoever. So a lot of people will throw this in there. And the point of this is I'm gonna take this hose, connect it onto the inside of this, and then once the air will pass through, but the oil will fall down into the tube, and then there's an outline which I'll connect to this side of it, and basically it just catches oil on the way back into there, the PVC system. Alright, so I can finally finish up this video. I accidentally ordered 1/2-inch vacuum hose to the wrong house, and so now I finally got it after like a week later. The hose that they supplied me with was too small for mine. So now the next step is figuring out where to mount this. I would like to mount it here, but obviously I cannot because the vacuum lines couldn't go through the plastic unless you did a hard 90-degree angle, but then you run the risk of having it fold down under vacuum. So not gonna put it there. Alright, so I like the way that that mounted. I'm gonna get a second bolt in through the bigger hole. It's flush with the body, so the hood's not gonna affect it. Now I'm going to drill some holes in here, hopefully cut most of this off, and then paint the whole thing black, and you will never notice that it's there. Alright, well this thing runs good. Doesn't really have any issues. I'm gonna let it get all warmed up before I can count it out that it has no vacuum leaks or anything. I'll update you guys here soon on how much, or if it collects any oil, or if the oil filter, or I mean air filter is covered in oil again. But other than that, I don't see any issues as of now. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.